Hi, my name is David Campbell, and today I'm going to demonstrate Lab 5-2, configuring RIP version 2 with LSM and default route propagation, number 5.2.3. Our objectives for today: we're going to configure a 3-router topology using VLSM, configure RIP version 2 as the routing protocol, configure and propagate a default route using RIP. So I was already able to set up the network and properly configure the routers and PCs and use the correct wiring diagram. So our first step, we're going to go to router 1. In router 1, we're in configuration mode, so router RIP version 2. And then we're just going to add these networks all across the routers. And do run, exit. And I'm just going to do this with every single one, so I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, everything was completed on the RIP version 2. All I just did was copy the R1, the networks, and then I typed in on R2 and R3. So now I'm going to go to router 3. As you see, I typed in the version 2, networks, and then a run configuration. So right now, as in the configuration mode, I'll go IP route. This is just creating a static route right now. 0.0.0.0 0.0.0.0 space 209.165.201.2. Okay, so let us go to router RIP again. Okay, so we did the default information originate, and with this being in router 3, the router 3 will advertise this route to the other routers. So when there's something added to the RIP configuration. So let's exit out of here. Let me do a do run. Okay, let's show IP route. Okay, this actually concludes everything. You can see that all the networks are within the normal boundaries where it should be. As I showed you, just adding the networks is just that easy. And this actually concludes Lab 5-2, configuring RIP version 2 with VLSM and default route propagation, number 5.2.3. Thank you and have a great night.